So this is the question number 18 from 2023 midterm unification paper, and this question comes under the topic strings in Python. So this is your assertion and reasoning base. इसके अंदर आपको दो statements given है और according to those two statements we will figure out कि क्या option आपका आएगा. तो assertion है we can modify characters in a string after its creation. So this one is false. Why it is false? Because string क्या है आपका immutable data type है. Immutable data type का मतलब कि अगर आपने कोई object create कर लिया है तो उसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. तो hence for this one is false. Now it is saying string is immutable type. तो reason तो आपका correct है but assertion correct नहीं है. Hence for this one option number B is the correct one. Now based on the similar concept we have a practice question for you. You need to answer this one in comment box. What will be the right answer for this one? Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.